In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add stock in ERPNext. To get started, make sure you're already logged into your ERPNext account and that you have the necessary permissions to manage stock. Once you're on the main dashboard, look for the module labeled Stock. This is your central hub for anything related to inventory, such as stock entries, transfers, and reports. Click on the Stock module to open it. Inside the Stock module, you'll see a list of different stock-related options. Scroll down until you find Stock Entry. This is the feature you'll use whenever you want to move stock, add new items, or adjust quantities. Go ahead and click on Stock Entry. This will take you to a page that lists all existing stock entries in your system. On the Stock Entry page, you'll usually see a list view with previous entries, along with filters and search options. At the top right corner, look for a button that says Add Stock Entry or something similar, depending on your version or customization. Click on this button to start creating a new stock entry. You'll now be taken to a form for a new stock entry. This is where you'll fill in all the important details. Begin by selecting the type of stock entry you want to create. Common types might include material receipt, material issue, or material transfer. Choosing the correct type is important because it tells the system whether you're adding new stock into your warehouse, issuing items out, or moving them between locations. Next, fill in any required fields such as the posting date and time, the company, and the warehouses involved. If you are adding stock, you'll usually specify the target warehouse where the items will be stored. Then scroll down to the item section. Here you'll add each item you want to include in this stock entry. For each item, select it from the list, enter the quantity, and make sure the unit of measure and warehouse are correct. Take a moment to double check these details so your inventory levels stay accurate. As you fill in the form, follow any on-screen prompts or validation messages that appear. ERPNext will guide you if something important is missing or entered incorrectly. Once you've reviewed everything and you're confident the information is correct, click the Save button. After saving, you may see options to submit the entry, depending on your workflow. Saving and submitting the stock entry will update your inventory in ERPNext, and your new stock levels will now be reflected across the system.